So although domestic and regional leisure travel will likely start this economic recovery, and as we move hopefully out of the pandemic in most countries, a sustained recovery with long-term economic growth will not occur unless there's a prioritized focus on truly restoring international business travel activity. So I offer up one simple formula for this recovery, but it's one that will take every policymaker, every travel industry professional that's here today, all frontline staff, everyone throughout the industry to truly collaborate if we're going to be successful. Look, we must get vaccinated to protect ourselves, but we must maintain our health-related protocols and infrastructure that we put in place that we're adopting to protect each other. And that in that formula, it becomes critically important, again, that we collaborate as an industry at a level and a way we never have before. And we've started that process at Travel Again, and I hope it will continue throughout the industry. So last, and in closing, I'll just tell you, although we've suffered many incredible hardships in this pandemic and learned many lessons about the vulnerability of our society and what this pandemic has meant, there's one more lesson I hope our industry and all who are part of it will learn. And this is probably the most important lesson of all, that travel again should also mean never again. Well, let's work together to make sure that we put the infrastructure and the corporate policies in place, and we all work together to protect ourselves and the travel industry. And we are vigilant so that we're ready for any future threats that will come our way.